Finally, a do-it-yourself fairing repair product that works. Fairing Repair is a liquid ABS resin designed to easily repair all ABS fairings, tour packs, and saddlebags. Even the most severely damaged plastic can be repaired at a fraction of the cost of new parts. There is no mixing or adding of hardeners or catalysts. The resin air cures in about 24 hours. This video is about 3 minutes long and demonstrates how to repair a fairing. Begin the repair from the front side by fitting the damaged pieces back together and then taping them into place with masking tape. Do not try and put resin into the cracks, as this will distort the shape. If you are missing pieces, you can use the supplied ABS sheets in the kit to make new pieces and tape them into place as I am doing here. From the inside, remove all paint, dirt, and grease. I recommend using a Dremel tool as shown here, but you can use a file or sandpaper. The area 1/4 inch on each side of the crack should be cleaned down to the raw plastic. Apply the resin directly from the bottle. There's no mixing or adding of catalysts or hardeners. These types of two-part repairs do not expand, contract, or flex like the plastic you are repairing, and they'll eventually crack and fall out. In addition, when you go to sand the repair, they are so much harder than the plastic, they will not sand flat. Fairing repair makes a perfect permanent repair. Let the resin air cure for 24 hours and then go back to the front side. For a demonstration on how strong the chemical weld is, go to our website fairingfix.com or easyabsrepair.com and look for the How Strong video in the video gallery. Remove the tape. At this point, your fairing is back to being structurally sound. To finish the repair, V-groove the cracks with a Dremel or a file. You want to be between 50 and 75% of the way into the plastic. Apply the resin directly from the bottle to the cracks. Fill them slightly above the level of the plastic. Do not overfill the cracks, as you'll have to sand the resin flat with the surrounding area. Allow 24-hour cure time for the resin. Sand the area until the cracks are flush and smooth with the surrounding surface. You can start with a 120 grit sandpaper, changing to 220 grit once you are close to being flush. If you are using a power sander, go slow and stop often to allow the surface to cool down. Once you have sanded the area, you may use a spot putty to fill any pinholes or minor imperfections. Larger uneven areas or irregularities can be filled with the resin. Do not use any fiberglass fillers, as they will not stay bonded. To find suggested spot putties, check the tips and links page on our website fairingfix.com or easyabsrepair.com. Paint the repair and install it on the bike. For color-matched paint, check the tips and links page on our website. The cost of this repair was about $4 worth of Easy ABS repair resin and $35 for paint, primer, and spot putty, for a total of $39. It took about 2.5 hours spread over 5 days to complete.